Do you realize that one simple word might be the reason you still sound like a beginner in English, even after months of practice? Today, we're going to break that habit forever and replace it with something powerful, something natural, something that will make you sound like you actually live inside the language, not just study it. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, you look around your room, and you say, "I need to clean the room." You go to the kitchen and you say, "I will clean the dishes later." You talk to a friend and you say, "I spent the whole day cleaning the house." Now, let me ask you something. What if I told you that native speakers almost never use the word clean the way you are using it? What if I told you that one small shift can instantly upgrade your English and make you sound confident, smooth, and natural? Welcome back to Speak English with Azel, and this is day 26 of our 30-day shadowing challenge. And today is not just another lesson, today is a transformation day. Today, you will stop saying clean and start speaking like a real American English speaker. Stay with me. Do not skip, do not rush, because by the end of this session, your brain, your ears, and your tongue will start working together in a completely new way. Let me tell you a quick story. One of my students once told me, "I understand English, I know many words, but when I speak, I feel stuck, I freeze, I repeat the same simple words again and again, and I sound boring and unnatural." Does that sound familiar? The problem was not vocabulary, the problem was habits. He was using general words like clean, do, make, go, instead of using real-life expressions that native speakers use every single day. Today, we fix that together. Now, I want you to focus with me. We're not just learning words, we're building muscle memory. You will listen, you will repeat, you will shadow me slowly and then naturally. And I want you to feel the words, not just say them. First situation, you are in the kitchen. You look at the counter and it is dirty. Do not say, "I will clean the counter." Instead, say, "Wipe down the counter." Listen, wipe down the counter. Now repeat with me slowly. Wipe down the counter. Again, wipe down the counter. Good. Now, natural speed, wipe down the counter. Perfect. Feel the difference? It is more specific, more real, more alive. Next situation, there are things all over the table. Do not say, "Clean the table." Say, "Clear off the table." Listen, clear off the table. Now, your turn, slowly. Clear off the table. Again, clear off the table. Now, natural speed, clear off the table. Great, you are doing amazing. Now, imagine you just came back from the supermarket. You have bags in your hands. Do not say, "I will clean or organize the groceries." Say, "Put away the groceries." Listen, put away the groceries. Now, repeat slowly, put away the groceries. Again, put away the groceries. Now, natural speed, put away the groceries. Excellent. Do you feel what is happening? You are moving from basic English to real English. This is how fluency begins. Now, let us connect everything together. Listen carefully and then shadow me. I walked into the kitchen this morning, I wiped down the counter, I cleared off the table, and I put away the groceries. Now, repeat slowly with me. I walked into the kitchen this morning. I wiped down the counter. I cleared off the table and I put away the groceries. Again, a little faster. I walked into the kitchen this morning. I wiped down the counter. I cleared off the table and I put away the groceries. Now, natural speed. I walked into the kitchen this morning. I wiped down the counter. I cleared off the table and I put away the groceries. Amazing! This is exactly how native speakers talk. Now I want to break the pattern a little to keep your brain active. Imagine you are talking to a friend and they ask you, "What did you do today?" Listen to the answer. I spent the morning wiping down the counters, clearing off the tables, and putting away groceries. Now you try, slowly. I spent the morning wiping down the counters, clearing off the tables, and putting away groceries. Again, I spent the morning wiping down the counters, clearing off the tables, and putting away groceries. Natural speed. I spent the morning wiping down the counters, clearing off the tables, and putting away groceries. This is real English. This is living English. Now let me ask you something. Are you starting to notice how your confidence changes when you use specific phrases instead of general words? This is the bridge to natural fluency. This is how you stop freezing and start flowing. And now I want you to do something very important to lock this lesson into your memory. Go to the comments and write this exact phrase. Wipe down, clear off, put away. Do it right now. This is your action step. This is how you tell your brain this is important. Keep going with me. We are not done yet. Let us add more situations. Your room is messy. Your clothes are everywhere. Do not say, clean your room. Say, tidy up your room. Listen, tidy up your room. Now repeat slowly. Tidy up your room. Again, tidy up your room. Natural speed. Tidy up your room. There's dust on the shelf. Do not say, clean the shelf. Say, dust off the shelf. Listen, dust off the shelf. Repeat slowly, dust off the shelf. Again, dust off the shelf. Natural speed, dust off the shelf. Now combine them. Listen, I need to tidy up my room and dust off the shelves. Repeat slowly, I need to tidy up my room and dust off the shelves. Again, I need to tidy up my room and dust off the shelves. Natural speed, I need to tidy up my room and dust off the shelves. Perfect. You are leveling up right now. Now, I want you to imagine something bigger. Imagine 1 week from now, you are speaking English, and instead of stopping and searching for simple words, you are automatically using these natural expressions. Your speech is smoother, your confidence is higher, and people understand you more easily. That future starts right here, in this moment. And remember, this is Speak English with ISIL. We do not just learn, we train. We build habits. We transform the way you speak. Now, final challenge. Listen carefully and then shadow me with full energy. After work, I came home, I put away the groceries, I wiped down the counter, I cleared off the table, and then I tidied up my room and dusted off the shelves. Now your turn. Slowly. After work, I came home, I put away the groceries, I wiped down the counter, I cleared off the table, and then I tidied up my room and dusted off the shelves. Again, stronger. After work, I came home, I put away the groceries, I wiped down the counter, I cleared off the table, and then I tidied up my room and dusted off the shelves. Now, natural speed. After work, I came home, I put away the groceries, I wiped down the counter, I cleared off the table, and then I tidied up my room and dusted off the shelves. That is powerful. That is fluent. That is real. If you made it this far, you are not just watching, you are transforming, and I want you to prove it. Go to the comments and write, I stopped saying clean today, and I started speaking real English. Keep practicing, keep shadowing, and I will see you tomorrow in day 27 right here on Speak English with Isel.